Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to create a free premium Tradingview account from scratch to finish. So stay tuned guys, and for those who are wondering if it's possible, the answer is absolutely yes. It's possible. You can create a Tradingview account, a premium Tradingview account for absolutely free and use the account. Okay, I'm going to show you in this video step by step how to go about this, so stay tuned. Right, the very first thing you do guys is to make sure that you have a few details which I'll show you in this video in the next step. All right, so the first thing you ensure you do have is make sure that you have what I'll call a working email. Okay, a working email. Right, and next thing, make sure that you also have a functioning credit card. Once you have these details guys, then we can ride. But if you don't have these details, I'm going to show you how to get these details very easily. Okay, so for working email guys, you should have an email, Gmail or Yahoo Mail or work email. All these will work for this process or this step. But if you don't have guys, you can simply go online and look for a website that says temporary email right here, temp email. tempemail.org. Go here and you can see that it displays to you various emails that you can use temporarily. Okay, and if you're in that category of people, then you can actually go to this website and get your temporary email. All right, so let's do that for instance in this video. Okay, let's go here and get the email here. Copy it right here. It says copy to clipboard. And for those who are new to this temporary email, then you can actually go here and read more about the temporary email, so you can use for the purpose of making accounts, temporarily if you want. All right, so this is where you copy the email that's displayed here. Copy right here. Okay, and once that is copied, right, and for some reason guys, if you don't like the email here, you can actually change the email right here, change email address. So I would say the email here is just good and fine. Let's go here and copy the email. Let's go right here and to our board and say we now have our email. Okay, we now have our email right here. The next thing we do guys is make sure that we have a functioning credit card. Do you have a credit card is my question, and I hope you do. If you don't, go to your banks and get a credit card. If you don't have your banks around you, you can't get a credit card from your bank, then maybe you should go for what we call a virtual credit card. There are various sites that offer you this service guys. Go and do your research and get a virtual credit card here, but the requirement is that you need to make sure that it's preloaded or it's loaded with at least $1. If not, you cannot do this sign up process. Okay, so once it's all settled, you have a credit card here. There are various websites that go here and type in virtual credit card. Type in that and you can see various results here and choose anyone that suits you, and then go do your research and get the virtual credit card. All right, so once that's sorted guys, we know that at this point we have our credit card here, so this is sorted. Okay, so once these two requirements are satisfied, this and this one, then we now can proceed with opening a free premium Tradingview account. So how do we go about this guys? We do this by going to the website. It's right here. It is Tradingview, tradingview.com. Guys, tradingview.com is the website. Be careful, avoid scammers. Go for this, tradingview.com, and you'll be on the website. Okay, so this is how it looks guys, and for those who are wondering what it really means, Tradingview is a website that gives you access to charts, trading charts, world trading charts, so you can actually monitor the trends of the currency, the stock market, and whatever financials that you are interested in. This is so useful guys for those people who trade, and I would say go for this guys. It also lets you keep tabs on the recent happenings, with regards to the news on crypto market and all the charts and the stock market. It will tell you things that you wish you always knew or would know. So guys, this is it about the Tradingview website, and let's jump into opening an account right here, a free premium Tradingview account. Okay guys, so let's go right here to where it says you can see on top here it says products, community, markets, news, brokers, more. Let's go to get started. get started right here. You can see right here it shows you plans for every level of ambition. It has various plans. It's got the pro plus, and the premium. Guys, you like the pro plus, but in this video we're going for what we call the premium right here. And if you want to know what it does offer you guys, it offers you all these features right here. So go and have a read of them, and you can see that it does give you the highest access to all these charts and maps, so you can actually use them easily. So this is what it offers you guys. So guys, this is a good deal here. The premium for free, what beats that? Okay, so you can go right here, and at this point here you can open the premium account. And how do we do this, guys? Let's go to where it says try for 30 days, try free for 30 days. Okay, click right there, and it shows you this page here. It says sign in with your Google account or Facebook account. I'm going to try go with email. Okay, go with email right here. It's going to say email and password. I'm going to say email. Okay, I'm going to paste that email that I copied right here. Okay, and it's going to say password as well. I'm going to say password. Let me see. I'm going to type a password that it will accept. Let's see. All right. Okay. Okay, I'm going to say sign in. It's going to say invalid username and password. I'm going to say okay. It says here sign in. Okay, this is the wrong page, guys. I should be signing up, not signing in. Okay, let's go back here. I'm going to say sign up right here. Okay, I'm going to say sign up right here. Sign up. I'm going to say email. Okay, it's going to say email and password. I'm going to say this. Okay, I'm going to say this. I'm going to say password. I'm going to put something. It says this suggestion. I'm going to say something strong as well. Make sure your passwords are very well secure. I'm going to say I've read the conditions. I'm going to say I'm not a robot. So I'm going to say good. I'm going to say create account right here. And it's going to say tap in your username. Okay, right here. So don't forget this part, guys. So I'm going to say here testing accounts. I'm going to say testing 1 2 3. Okay, I'm going to say this. I'm going to say create account. It's going to say what's saying here. This name is already in use. I'm going to say and this email is not allowed on Tradingview. Please use another email. Okay, guys, when you have this issue, guys, what do? I would say to you, go back to your temp email and do change email. Okay, change email. It loads another email and it presents to you. Let's give it a few seconds. Let's see. And this is meant to be another email. It looks the same. It looks very similar. I'm going to say change email again. Okay, change email. You're meant to get something that is unique, different to the first one give to you. And for some reason it's giving me about the same email. I'm going to say refresh. Okay, this is not what it means. Refresh is different. I'm going to say refresh, and I'm going to say change email again. Okay, I'm going to keep doing this, guys, until it gets me an email that is different to what I got the first time, because obviously the Tradingview will not accept that email. So guys, make sure you do this. Okay, keep doing this until you get an email that you're happy with. I'm going to close this. I'm going to go back to temp email. I'm going to say temp email. It's good. It's going to get me an email soon. Same email has been generated. Okay, I don't like this. I'm going to say change again. All right, guys, so just do this, guys, until it gets you a new email. Once it does get you a new email, then you can use that email. But I don't want to waste time in this video. I'm going to proceed with an email I know is unique already. The thing is that people use these emails, right? All these emails a lot of times. So maybe someone has already used the email. That's why it's not accepting it. So I get the point. So I would say to you, use a unique email. In that case, you would have to go for this change email a couple of times to get a unique email. Or I'm going to use an email that I have on my mind already, which I believe is unique. So I'm going to go back here to where it says here, it says here an email. I'm going to use an email. I'm going to say, all right, I'm going to block my screen for this purpose because it's a real email. I'm going to use my email. Okay, I'm going to say, okay, I'm going to just use that email and block my screen. Okay, I'm going to enter my username as well. My username is testing123123. Okay, that should be okay. I'm going to say this. I'm going to say create account. I'm going to say enter a unique username. I'm going to say YT for YouTube. Okay, YouTube testing. I'm going to say YouTube testing for this 1 2 3 4. I'm going to say not robot. I can say mountains or hills. Mountains or hills. I want to choose this correctly and click on verify. When that is sorted, I'm going to say create account and it should go through. Once that is okay, I'm going to say save this one. Once it's okay, I'm happy looking at this. I'm just going to say it says it sent me a link to activate. Okay, so I'm going to go to my email and activate this link right away. Okay, so this was sent to my Gmail. Actually, I'm going to go to my Gmail. Okay, and I'm just going to go. I'm going to pause this for a second. So now I have confirmed my email or the link in my email. I've verified it. So this is the page that I find next. Once you find this page, guys, the next thing is to enter your first and last name. I'm going to say, just for this video's sakes, I'm going to say this. I'm going to say EO, right? I'm going to say EOJ. Okay, I'm going to say EOJT. I'm going to say, I would like this. I'll choose this one. I'm going to say continue. Now I've been signed up. As you can see right here, I am signed up for absolutely free, guys. This is it. As you can see, okay, as you can see right here, I'm signed up to it. It says here I can go to a free trial right away. So I'm going to choose this one, try for 30 days. Okay. Okay. So this is the page. It's the page where you enter your credit card details, guys. So in as much as I now have access to the website, I haven't completely signed up for the package that I want. So I'm going for the premium here, which has a 30-day free trial. So I would say to you, go for this free trial here, and then you'll be fine. You're fine. But this is going to take you for 30 days, after which you have to get a new account. So this is going to be like a 30-day cycle for you. You keep getting new accounts. But guys, I would advise you guys, if you're making money from trading, I would say get an account and pay about $30 per month or thereabout. Pay that money if you're comfortable with it, because it's what it's supposed to be, right? That's how it should be. But if you're not making money, I would say this is one way to go, by getting free accounts every 30 days. So let's just go back for a second, guys, and choose. Let's go back for a second and we'll choose something else. This says here we're billed for a whole year. It's about a whole year. Let's see. 360 days payable on next month. Okay, this is just for 1 month, so that's fine for us. So let's go here and enter our credit card details, guys. So I'm just going to pause my screen right here and enter my credit card details here for privacy's sakes, and I'll go to the next page. If you have a PayPal, although you can link to your PayPal right here, it's quite easy to do that right here. Do your PayPal here and you will be all right as well. So for the sake of privacy, guys, I would say I'm going to pause this video at this point. I'm just going to blur this page out and enter my details and proceed from there. Okay, so let me do it right away. So once you have entered your credit card details, this is what you find. This page right here says, woohoo, let the fun begin. Your 30-day free trial is live now, so you can actually start charting right here. So if you're on this page, guys, that means you've successfully registered for your premium account, and it's absolutely free for 30 days. So let's go to the charts right here, and you can see right here, these are all the charts right here. These are all the charts, and it's looking okay. Here guys, you can view whatever charts you want. As you can see right here, there are gazillion number of charts here, and each of them guys is revealing something to you. So as a trader, you know which one you're looking for, and you can go ahead to view all these details guys. So this is how you get the Tradingview Premium account for absolutely free guys. But like I said to you guys, do not abuse this. Do not abuse this. Make sure that if you're making profits, you go ahead to have a stable account guys. And what you do is that when you go from account to account, you have to transfer your details from one account to the next account. So it's kind of tedious, right, to do all that every single 30 days, every single 30-day period. So I would say to you, make sure that you have your account, an account that you can use and you pay for monthly, on a monthly basis if you can afford it. All right guys, this is a wrap. Thank you for watching this video, and enjoy getting your Tradingview Premium accounts for absolutely free guys, and I shall see you in my next video. Don't forget guys, if you like these videos, and please like, comment, subscribe, and let me know how you feel about these videos, what you want to see, what I should make next, and just to help you out, yeah, let me know.